relax. I'm seeing your eyes right now. Just relax. One more time. Relax.
Miss Angela, this is Albuquerque Fire. I'm going to go to the hospital, okay?
I don't care if you report, but you mind just staying a little bit off because I don't know if you're any concern or anything.
I'm no worries. I'm on a public sidewalk, man. Don't talk to me. I won't talk to you guys.
Okay.
What?
Do you have any questions? I just want to protect your privacy, you know what I mean? There's no reason to...
Who maced her? You guys?
What's up?
You sprayed her or who sprayed her?
Who said anything about spraying?
I just heard him say you got OC in your eyes.
Oh.
Who sprayed her?
Is that the rumor?
That's what the cop just said. That's a rumor?
Oh, I don't know. That's what you're saying.
No, that's what that cop just told her. You know what the fuck's going on here, man. Don't play stupid.
I'm just trying to figure out what you're doing.
I'm recording matters of public interest. I'm trying to find out who did that to her. Was that you guys that did that to her? Who did it?
Just go record over there? I'm
No.
being nice.
You're being nice. I'll be nice too. I ain't saying nothing to nobody.
Why do you need to record her, though?
Because she just got sprayed by somebody and I want to find out who.
We're here to figure that out, okay?
Well, so am I. You're interfering in my investigation, so stay the fuck out of my way.
Okay, well, I'm just trying to protect her privacy, you know what I mean?
She has no
If she doesn't
privacy
wanna
out
be
here.
posted over whatever you're
I'm not going to post it nowhere.
Okay, so is this, you just want to record her for no
Don't worry about what I want to do, man. Leave me the fuck alone. I didn't talk to you, so don't talk to me.
Well, I'm just curious why you're trying to record her someone that's in need right now, right?
Who did that to her? You guys? So you're blocking my view right now? Is that what you're trying to do?
There's no reason for you to record her. You can record me all day.
You're telling me you're blocking my view right now.
Yeah, I'm blocking her. I'm protecting her.
Do you
privacy.
realize you're violating my rights by blocking this camera?
I'm saying you can't come any closer.
I didn't try coming in closer. Did you see me coming in closer? Then shut the fuck up, man.
Just stay right there.
Shut up.
No, not at all.
Fuck you, bug, man. And you wonder why there's a fucking disconnect between us and you guys.
Okay, I just came over here to see what you're doing. To see if
You knew what I was fucking doing. What does the camera tell you I'm doing?
maybe you're FaceTiming someone.
Shut up, man. Fucking stupid. You're not that stupid, so just shut up. You're intentionally blocking this camera. Are you intentionally blocking this camera? Are you intentionally blocking this camera? Are you intentionally blocking me from doing that? I'm not trying to record you, I'm trying to record that. And you're blocking me. You're violating my First Amendment right by blocking me.
You can. Did I say stop recording?
What?
What if she doesn't want you to record?
She don't tell her to go fucking home or go somewhere where the public can't see her.
I thought you were here to help her.
I ain't trying to help her, I ain't trying to help nobody. I'm trying to fuck you guys, because I know you guys did that shit to her.
We did not.
Ever would I do this?
Find out the story.
That's what that cop just said. So, who's lying, you or him?
Actually helping her. It's a medical call.
Yeah, and let me guess, I'm violating her HIPAA rights, right?
We're not. We're dealing with you, not with her, right?
This is a medical
Protecting
call.
her rights.
You're a dumb fuck, man. You just straight told me you're blocking this camera's view. Do you realize there is no privacy in public? You're a cop, you should know that shit, man. Fucking think about it.
It's a hard time right now. Why are you trying to post that on the internet?
I'm not trying to post it on the internet.
Okay, then why are you trying to post it? Give her some
Why post your ass on the internet?
Perfect, please.
What's your name?
My name's Ardona.
Right here, and it's covered by a fucking paper. Tell me your fucking name, man.
I'm sure you can get it from a different legal.
Fucking idiot, I swear. You wonder why, too. You gonna identify yourself, or you gonna say it's right here too? It's on the other side, you dumb fuck. It's on the other side, you dumb fuck.
Sheriff,
No.
worry about yourself.
You're a fucking idiot. It's right here.
Like this is the
It's right here.
time I've fucking dealt with you.
You've never dealt with my ass, bro.
Yeah.
No, you haven't.
Okay,
Be ready to deal with my ass.
Is that a threat?
Yeah, I'm threatening you. Come on, man. Fucking think about it. So, with him dealing with me, was that him threatening me?
No, not at all.
Well, then shut the fuck up.
You.
Fucking idiot, man. I swear.
Goodness. You're the one that's trying to report an innocent man.
Yeah, an innocent lady that just got sprayed. Fuck, perfectly fine. She could have told me, excuse me, or him.
Poor guy, man. I thought you were here to help people.
Did I ever say that? Fuck no, I ain't here to help people. Like I said, I'm here to fuck you guys.
Yeah, that is really.
It is, right? You guys gonna fuck yourself, you just do it for me. Well, I just hold the camera and your fucking mouth does it. Those are dumb fucks.
For an innocent lady from your own humor. It's unfortunate. You're the one that's smiling right now?
So the patient, I don't care what you film, but the patient just requested specifically that you don't get her on the phone.
Oh, it's already too late, man.
But from here on out.
I'll
That's
respect
coming
that.
from
I'll
here.
respect that.
Okay, thank you.
You're a cocky fucker, aren't you?
You're the one that's talking behind the camera.
You're a cocky fucker. I'm talking behind the camera? Is that a threat or what?
I'm here in the restaurant. What are you doing?
I'm on the sidewalk. Mind your own
I know,
fucking
but what are you
business.
doing?
Whatever the fuck I want to do.
Well, why are you here?
Because I can be. Why are you here talking to me? Who are you that I have to answer to you?
Because I own the restaurant. And this is
Do you own this sidewalk? No, you don't. So shut the fuck up.
You're a fucking idiot.
Come. Well, you don't need to come out talking to me, man.
We're just asking you to get out of here. What's the big deal?
I will when they leave. Sorry, I don't mean to talk to you like that, man, but they've already got me up here. I'm doing nothing wrong and they're over here trying to intimidate me and everything else. If you accept that and you want to lick their boots, go ahead, man, but it's not right. When have you dealt with me? Trying to intimidate me by a stare down, man?
No.
That's what you're trying to do.
Watching you, man.
You're just watching me.
Watching you. The way you're watching me through a camera, I'm watching you right now.
You're gonna be the next star, believe that.
Yeah, I know. I've been the star of multiples. So,
Of my videos, right?
I don't know.
I'm the wrong one.
What's
That's.
your YouTube channel?
I don't have a YouTube channel.
You have an Instagram channel?
Nope.
What kind of channel do you have?
Don't worry about it. Sure, you'll find yourself. So you get paid just to do this?
You get paid to protect your privacy.
So that's in your playbook is to protect her
You
privacy.
do everything. Oh,
I know it's fucking not. I know it's not. You don't get paid to protect her fucking privacy. You're a fucking idiot if you think that.
Look at that. It's the catch-all phrase, man. Protect and serve, right?
Shut the fuck up. You don't protect or serve
So are you
nothing.
from Albuquerque or what?
Nope.
No? Are you from, where are you from?
Don't worry about it.
Thank you so much for your help on this matter. Transfer to the hospital. Everything's okay. You don't have to stick around if you don't want to.
Yeah, that means you're dismissed. Get the fuck out of here, he said. He said, get the fuck out of here.
Good day, man.
You too. I ain't leaving until you guys leave. We'll stay here all fucking day long. Go ahead, do your walk of shame, man. Go ahead. Go do your walk of shame. You fucking policy fucking enforcer. Are you a law enforcer or a policy enforcer? Get out of here.
I don't enforce policy.
What the fuck was that? Trying to protect her privacy. Shut the fuck up, man. You're a fucking fool. Go!
For you. Have a great day. God bless.
God bless you too, man. Suicide's always an option, man. It's a walk of shame.